Hello friends, a very good evening to everyone. In today's video we are going to see the August month season chart for your garden. So that is, in this video we are going to see what are all the plants you can grow in this August month and how successful it will come. So come, let's go into the video. So before that I just wanted to show you the update of our sugarcane. So sugarcane is growing very well. You can just see how healthy it is. So now we will see the season chart. So in flowering plant you can try growing rose, table rose, and all varieties of hibiscus, and there are many varieties in rose also. That also you can try growing. Not only that, you can also try growing croton flowering plant. That is, the plant will be like a croton plant as well as it will be a flowering plant. Like that and all you can grow. And in vegetable plant you can try growing turkey berry, brinjal, tomato, and all types of lady's finger. There are many varieties in lady's finger in Tamil Nadu. And then you can also try growing all types of beans. So here I will show you some cluster beans sapling I have. So in beans itself there are many varieties. And now we are going to see about green leafy vegetable. In green leafy vegetable you can try growing drumstick green leafy vegetable, and manatakali, spinach, mint, coriander, and many types of green leafy vegetable also you can try growing. So usually in this June, July, August month, all plants will grow very successful, very healthy, and very well also. So in this June, July, August month you can try growing many varieties of plant in your garden. And if you are going to start a new terrace garden, it is the best time to start, because all the plants will grow very healthy and well also. Not only that, now you are seeing my mint plant. So how much healthy it is growing. So really mint is growing very well in our garden. So this is the overall season chart for this August month, friends. Thanks, bye, have a nice day. Hope this video is very helpful to you all. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the like button below and share it to your friends and families. Thanks, bye.